Hello students, this is Dr. Harshit Kumar Srivastava, Assistant Professor in the area of Economics. Today we are going to discuss about price, a factor affecting demand. Now there are multiple factors affecting demand of a commodity, including price of a product, income of consumer, price of substitute good, price of complementary good, taste and preferences of consumer, price expectations, and multiple things. Now we are going to discuss about the price as a factor affecting demand. This could be explained with the help of law called law of demand. Ceteris paribus, that is keeping other thing constant, there exists inverse relation between price and quantity demanded. Now in this relation we have taken price as independent variable and quantity demanded as dependent variable. And generally it has been observed that when price of a commodity increases, generally its quantity demanded decreases, and when price of commodity decreases, its quantity demanded increases. Now again, this quantity demand and price relation can be mathematically derived called as demand function. That is, quantity demand is inverse function of price. That is, QD is equal to A minus BP, where A is intercept and B is slope. Now, if we explore the graph, or rather, if we create a schedule around it, that schedule will be called as demand schedule. So, demand schedule shows the quantity demand and price relation in tabular form. As you can observe, when price of apple is increasing from 1 to 6, the quantity demanded of apple is decreasing from 20 to 5. If we depict that in graph, then that relation will be, that slope will come negative. That is, demand curve is a negatively sloped graph which shows the inverse relation between price and quantity demanded. Now we will be exploring the expansion or contraction of demand based on increase or decrease in prices. Now, generally it has been observed that when price increases, quantity demanded decreases. Now, this leads to movement along the same demand curve. Consumer moves upward on the same demand curve, and this is known as contraction of demand. So, the reason for contraction of demand is price increase. On other hand, if price decreases, then the quantity demand increases. And when quantity demand increases, the consumer shift, or rather consumer moves downward to the same demand curve. So this downward movement along the same demand curve is known as expansion of demand. Do remember one important point, that expansion and contraction in demand is possible only because of increase and decrease in prices. If any other factor changes, let's say if consumers' income changes, then demand curve will shift either to right or to left. But if there are changes in price, then consumer will move either upward or downward. In case of increase in price, consumer moves upward, and that is known as contraction of demand. And in case of decrease in price, consumer moves downward, and that is called expansion of demand. So movement along the same demand curve is caused by either increase or decrease in prices. Thank you so much.